The new AR features are going to be a huge step for VR in 2025. I'm gonna show you what's coming and why it's such a big deal. So let me introduce you to a channel I came across when reading about AI updates. They create AR experiences, Augmented Intelligent Reality. This opens up a whole new world of VR experiences that could change the game entirely. The technology has been around for a while, but now things are getting a whole lot more serious. First, I'm going to mention one thing which will make everything make sense, so bear with me. These news are meant for all of the VR headsets, but I'll take the Quest 3 as an example since it's a good index. Saying that it's going good for Quest 3 is a yes and no answer. The biggest problem for the Quest 3 is sales. Meta says it's performing over expectations, but I think we all know that it's nowhere near PlayStation and Xbox in sales. This is a problem. Games make the platform. Without Halo, Gears of War, Killzone, The Last of Us, etc., there would be less sales of the consoles, but it's also the other way around. What I'm saying is that the Quest 3 needs more active users in order for developers to make games. With more active users, the game developers have more potential customers and therefore can make a bigger profit. But in order to have more active users, the consoles need good games, so the customers want to buy the console. Well, this is until now, because within the upcoming year, the Quest 3 could be an everyday tool for home use and in the workplace. The update is allowing the Quest 3 to integrate AI that functions in real time. A while ago we were all introduced to the AI that works now in various but also restricted ways. But with the AIR, in theory, you can look at your wall and ask what the ideal size of a shelf would be in your living room and what color would fit the surroundings. Then your headset could synchronize with online stores and an actual shelf that you can buy would pop up in the room. In fact, this is kind of already in use and has been for a while. These are again old news, but just like the iPhone integrated music, video, web browsing and a camera into one device in 2007, Quest 3 needs its functions to work in a seamlessly convenient way for the everyday user. Therefore, AIR needs to be conveniently, smoothly integrated into the headsets in order for the people to open their eyes. And if AIR is convenient enough for the general public, there would be more Quest sales and therefore more high quality games. Anyways, this is what Meta said about the AI feature from a previous press release. AI has been a driving force of our consumer hardware since the beginning, and recent innovation in generative AI has helped to accelerate key pieces of our vision for the next great wave of human-oriented computing. The technology they talked about is coming to life right now. The Meta AI is already in the experimental features on the Quest, and as we speak, they're most likely in the early stages of integrating AIR. Just imagine standing there in your living room scrolling through sofas to buy or looking at the new skateboards you always wondered how they looked like in real life. And I mean, hell, if you have any questions, you could probably get help from an employee with a VR headset on. It's immensely time-saving and efficient. Now, VR will be appealing to the consumer market, but also stores and other professions can make use of the AIR. This means that the Quest will act more and more as a PC, and the PC game market is by far generating most game sales, so we can expect a big upgrade in the game library. This is what Meta says. Built with Llama, Meta AI is on track to be the most used AI assistant in the world by the end of 2024 with almost 600 million monthly active users. Now, if this works out as it should, it's a big win-win for gamers. I'm confident that this will be our future, but I'm not sure when it will be considered a part of the modern everyday technology. My guess is that it will take about 5 to 10 years. What do you think it will take for the VR to be a part of everyday society? Comment, like and subscribe.